I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Meraki 2024, where creativity ignited and passions roared. From the intense battles of quiz and debate, to the soul-stirring melodies of songs and dance, to the added depth and artistry of declamation, photography and one-act plays, every moment was a testament to the spirit of unity and excellence of the Royalites.
As you all can see, the best house trophy lies in the hands of Vivekananda House. It's just because of our house spirit, our cooperation and our cooperative measures which has made all of us to see this day with the best house trophy.
I would like to thank all our house in charges, house captains and prefects who worked out with us throughout this whole journey. It was a truly learning experience for us. Thank you.
We're very happy that we won the best house with Vivekananda at our par. So
it was a truly mesmerizing experience, and we loved working with the teachers and the prefects. It was a great experience after all.
Our hard work really paid off, and of course it took much hard work and dedication, but ultimately here we are holding the trophy.
And again, the Tagore House has won the best house trophy along with the Vivekananda House. I would have to say the experience was extremely fun and very mesmerizing, and all of the hard work that each and every participant had put in has come to life.